basically walking up, up, road is, and the car end up on this side. How to usually draws the leaf. How to usually draws the leaf. Open up the car. He was still stuck in here at the time, but the helmet was off. The complete helmet and everything was off. The axle came off. Everything basically came off.